What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We've got a crazy video for you guys today. Before I jump into this video, I wanted to tell you guys about Solo. Solo is the best app for rideshare driving on the market to date. It is free. You get $15 for signing up and linking your account with our link in the description below. But essentially what it's going to do is it's going to make you more money every single day. It's going to give you guaranteed earnings every single day. It's going to track all your mileage, all your expenses every single day. And it is going to save you a lot of money at the end of the year and really every single day. So it's free. Check it out. Better than anything we've ever promoted on the channel for rideshare drivers. Link in the description below. Alrighty. So I'm quitting driving. I guess you could say I've already quit. I gave my last few rides last week, actually. I'm not going to say it's necessarily permanent, but it's definitely permanent for the meantime. One thing I've talked a lot about on the channel is how driving full-time doesn't make any sense. I'm starting to get to the point where I'm not sure driving in general makes any sense. The thing is until the economy changes a bit, I just can't see why this works. Maybe I don't live in a good enough market. It is summertime in Phoenix, which isn't the most ideal time to drive here. The population dips down a lot. But the reality is gas is just too high. And I get 41 miles per gallon, and I think this. So I'm not sure how some of you are making it driving Uber and Lyft. But the thing is this service has changed so much over the years. It used to be a lot better. We're all very aware of that, right? But with gas being $5, $6 a gallon, I really don't understand how you're making this work unless you're making like $35 an hour. That to me, when I calculate everything, is the number that I feel like I have to hit for me to justify actually driving. This is like factoring in everything possible. But you know, for me, I destroyed one of my last cars driving Uber and Lyft on it. I say that, you know, not literally speaking, but with the amount of miles on it, I had 150,000 miles on a car that I bought with 18,000 miles, and I still owed about 7-8 grand on it, and that was all rideshare. So to me, you have to be making better money to make this work. And until gas prices go down, I don't see how it works. So if you guys think I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys think. But as for now, I am done driving. Let me know your thoughts. Check out Solo, linked in the description below. You guys need every penny at this point to make it work. But anyways, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.